Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Japanese ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to make plans in Japanese? You'll learn how in just a moment. Hi, my name is Emily, and this is 3-Step Japanese by JapanesePot101.com. In this lesson, you'll learn to make plans in Japanese through a quick conversation. Let's look at the dialogue. As you listen, pay attention to how they ask about the topic and how the other person responds. 明日、予定がありますか？いいえ、明日は暇ですよ。じゃあ、私のジムでトレーニングをしますか？それはいいですね。夜は六本木で友達と飲みます。石川さんも一緒にどうですか？はい、ぜひ。Let's break it down. 明日、予定がありますか？ Do you have plans for tomorrow? いいえ、明日は暇ですよ。No, I'm free tomorrow. Next is the sentence we'll be focusing on. This sentence starts with the phrase じゃ meaning well. It's like the well in well, want to do this? Next is the phrase 私の meaning my. 私の After this is the word ジム meaning gym. ジム Next is the particle で which is the location marking particle. This marks the gym as the location for this sentence's verb. After this is the word トレーニング meaning training. トレーニング Following that is お the object marking particle. It marks that the training is affected by the verb. Next is the verb します meaning do. します Last is the particle か which is the question marking particle. By adding か to します, the meaning becomes more like shall we do? Altogether, it's じゃあ私のジムでトレーニングをしますか？ Well, shall we train at my gym? それはいいですね。That sounds good. 夜は六本木で友達と飲みます。In the evening, I'm drinking with my friends in 六本木。石川さんも一緒にどうですか？ How about joining us, 石川？はい、ぜひ。Yes, definitely. Let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern is the structure that all of our examples will follow. Location で activity を verb. I will verb, object, at place. First, let's break it down. Location で is a particle that indicates the place where an action or activity occurs. And location is the place. Object を is a particle that marks the direct object of the action. This shows what object is being affected by the verb in the sentence. Finally, the verb describes the action you will take at the location. Let's see how a line from the dialogue follows this pattern. じゃあ、私のジムでトレーニングをしますか？ Well, then, would you like to train at my gym? 私のジムで私の means my, indicating possession. ジム means gym. and de indicates that my gym is the location where the action will happen. トレーニングを トレーニング means training and takes the place of object. を marks training as the direct object of the sentence. しますか? します is the polite form of the verb to do. And か turns the sentence into a question. So the sentence じゃあ私のジムでトレーニングをしますか? translates to Well then, would you like to train at my gym? By asking this, the speaker tries to make plans to train with someone at their gym. Without the question particle, ka, the sentence would be the statement, I will train at my gym. Now you can use this pattern to make plans with others or tell them your own plans. 2 important notes. First, 私のジムでトレーニングをしますか? actually translates, Would you like to do training at my gym? That is the literal translation. We translate it to, Would you like to train at my gym? Because that sounds more natural in English and has the same meaning. The second note is, Japanese does not have a future tense that is written differently from the present tense. So the meaning of this sentence will change depending on the situation. For example, if we take just this part, 私のジムでトレーニングをします。This could mean both I train at my gym and I will train at my gym. Now, let's look at some speaking examples. Imagine that these people are asked what they will do tomorrow. 学校で勉強をします。I will study at school. Can you see how the pattern applies here? Let's break it down. Let's see how the sentence follows this pattern. 学校で勉強をします。I will study at school. Here, 学校 is the location, which is marked by で、勉強 is the activity, which is marked by お and します is the verb that indicates to do. So, that is how 学校で勉強します fits the pattern. Location, place, で activity or verb. Here's another example. 家でテレビを見ます。I will watch TV at home. 家でテレビを見ます。I will watch TV at home. Let's try one more. 六本木でラーメンを食べます。I will eat ramen in 六本木。六本木でラーメンを食べます。I will eat ramen in 六本木。One last example. スーパーで野菜を買います。I will buy vegetables at the supermarket. スーパーで野菜を買います。I will buy vegetables at the supermarket. Now you know how to make plans in Japanese, and you can move on to the practice. またね